Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Jaydeep Patil, working as Assistant Professor in AISSMS IIT College Pune. And now in this video lecture, I'm going to explain you fractional knapsack problem, which is introduced in design and analysis of algorithm of TIT 2015 pattern. Here, given a set of items, each within the weight and a value. Determine a subset of items to include in a collection so that the total weight is less than or equal to a given limit and the total value is as large as possible. So knapsack problem is a combinatorial optimization problem. So it appears as a sub problem in many more complex mathematical model of a real world problem. Next is application. In many cases of resource allocation along with some constraint, the problem can be derived in a similar way of other knapsack problems. So here we can use a finding the least wasteful way to cut the raw material, then portfolio optimization and cutting stock problem. In that cases we can use the fractional knapsack problem. Problem scenario: suppose a thief is robbing a store and can carry a maximum weight of W into his knapsack. So there are n items available in the store and weight of ith item is Wi and its profit is Pi. So what item should the thief take? Okay, so in this context the item should be selected in a such way that the thief will carry only those items for which he will gain the maximum profit. So hence the objective of a thief is to maximize the profit, and based on the nature of these items, knapsack problems are categorized as a fractional knapsack, and second one is a regular fraction, means 0 1 fractional. Next is fractional knapsack. So in this case the items can be broken into smaller pieces, hence the thief can select the fraction of items. So according to the problem statement, here the n are items in the store, so weight of that items means weight of any ith items is Wi, which is greater than 0, and profit of that ith item is Pi, that is again greater than 0, and the bag which given to the thief is having capacity is W. Okay. So in this version of knapsack problem, items can be broken into smaller pieces, so the thief may take only a fraction of xi of ith item. So here we can say that 0 is less than or equal to xi, which is less than or equal to 1. So the ith item can contribute to the weight xi into Wi to the total weight of the knapsack and the profit xi dot Pi to the total profit. So the main objective here is to maximize the summation of xi dot Pi. Okay. So here you can see the algorithm for greedy fractional knapsack. Okay, so for I running from 1 to n, we have to set the xi is equal to 0 and weight is again set to 0. So for I running from 1 to n, if the weight plus weight of I is less than or equal to given capacity, that is W, then xi is equal to 1 and weight is equal to weight plus weight of that particular item, else xi is equal to W minus weight divided by Wi. So here we can find out the fractional knapsack of that item, and weight is equal to W. So we can break here and return the total value of x. Okay, so in that case, if the provided items are already sorted into decreasing order of Pi by Wi, then here the while loop takes the time of is big O of n. So therefore the total time including sort is big O of n log n. Okay, so because here for every given set of items we have to sort these items according to Pi divided by Wi. Okay. Okay, so let us check the one example. Let us consider that the capacity of knapsack is W is equal to 60, and the list of provided items are shown in the following table. So here these are the profits, weights, and a ratio of Pi by Wi, and these are the 4 items A, B, C, D with given profit and respective weights. Okay. So first, here we have to sort these items according to Pi by Wi, means ratio of Pi by Wi. So items are rearranged as B, A, C, D because Pi by Wi for B is 10, Pi by Wi for A is 7, C is 6, and D is 5. Okay. So first we have to take the first element item, that is 10. Okay, means B, having weight is 10. So remaining weight here is a 50. Second item, when we select the second item A, then total weight in my bag is 50. Now we can add or afford only 10 weight. Okay, so here we need the half of part C. So we can take, if we take the half of C, then in that case we have to get half part of this. So here total weight of selected item is full, means full part of A, full part of B, and half part of C, and the total profit here is 100 plus 280 plus 120 by half means 60. So total here profit is 440. Okay. And for this video I use wikipedia.org and tutorialspoint.com. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.